I'm going to be showing you how to change the engine air filter on a 2017 Civic. You have to remove this screw over here first. You don't really remove it until it makes that sound that it reached the top. There is another one here, another one here. There are 4 of them, and I'm gonna be showing you more the sound here, and that's why you don't actually remove it. You hear that sound? That's when you have to stop. Now let's work on it. You just be careful with this cable here, which is the mass airflow sensor. There's another video, I'll put it on this one on the top right corner, how to clean that sensor, because it's very important. It senses the quality of the air, how much air is going through this line here. So lift it up, wiggle a little bit. There you go. Yeah, it was stubborn. It's mostly here. Let me show you where you could have a problem. It's that portion, that circle. That's where it's going to be a little bit more stuck. You just wiggle it on that. Let's do it again. Just bring it up and wiggle with this hand. There. Not wiggling too much because you have to be careful with that cable, of course. Remember this cable. Okay, once you wiggle all that, now you remove the old filter from there. Now pay attention. It has, this section is longer than this one, and it has this notch on this side. So let's bring a new one. Here it is, a new one. Here's to compare them. Of course, the one on the left is dirty. And I change them every 10,000 miles. You can do it 12,000, 15,000, but don't go over that. I use Wix, the brand Wix, which I think it's a great combination between the airflow and how pure the air is after that. Otherwise, you could be blocking too much air. So here, you just put the new one in, then you wiggle this down. And finally, you just tight all 4 screws. But now you tell me, do you do it differently or have any other tip? Do you actually use another brand that you prefer? Please share that information by leaving a comment below. If you like this video, please share, like, and subscribe. Thanks for your support.